If you're a tech enthusiast, this is the news you've been waiting for. Vivo's X200 series is officially launching in Malaysia. The Vivo X200 series, initially launched in China on October 14th, is now making its way to the international market. Starting with Malaysia on November 19th, pre-orders are already open. These phones are powered by the impressive Dimensity 9400 chipset, feature triple camera systems, and come with large batteries supporting 90W fast charging. The X200 and X200 Pro will be available first, priced at $600 and $745 respectively. The X200 Pro Mini remains exclusive to China, but don't worry, the global versions pack a punch. Excitingly, the international X200 series includes a periscope telephoto lens, previously only available in China. This suggests Vivo is bringing more advanced features to the global market. Following the Malaysia launch, the India debut is expected in December. Stay tuned for more updates on the Vivo X200 series as it continues to roll out globally.